All right, so guys, welcome to Math 115 assignment solutions, and we have six different questions to answer. So we have 70 people to watch TV news, 40 people to listen to radio news. So we are asked to find number one, people who watch either TV news or listen to radio news. The second, people who both watch TV news and listen to radio news. And third, fourth, five, and six. So the questions are there. Now, before we commence, I need you to take note of some things. When you hear the word and simply means intersection. When you hear the word or simply means union. When you hear the word not, not simply means minus. Are you getting me? So these are the three statements that you should put at the back of your mind before we commence the solutions to this question. And is intersection, or is union, why not is negative sign. Thank you. So we have the first one. The first one says people who watch either TV or radio news. Now, I already said earlier that when you hear the word or means union. So we mean that people that watch either TV or radio news. So that's number of T union R, and that is the formula for union of a set. Number formula for union of a set of two different sets is equals to number of the first one plus the second one minus the intersection of the two of them. So you have to keep that formula in mind. Now, number of those that watch TV news, they are 70. Those that listen to radio, they are 40. So we need to find the intersection between the two of them. Now, if you look at the Venn diagram that we drew, you see that the only relationship between um between the two guys is 20, because this other guy is going to be 70, this other one is 40, and the relationship between the two of them is what is 20, and the relationship is also known as what as the intersection. So we have the intersection already. So by applying the formula, number of those people that watch TV or radio news is equals to 70 plus 40 minus what 20, which is what their intersection, and we have 90. So that's for the first part. So moving down to the second part now. The second part is very simple and straightforward, which we've already gotten from the first video. That's the intersection. So the intersection between those people that watch both TV and radio news is 20. So that one is clear and straightforward. You don't need to use any other big formulas to start solving for that. So for the third one, you notice that the question says people who do not watch either TV or radio. Now take note of the word not. I said earlier that when you hear the word not simply means negative sign, right? So we are using the universal set. Our universal set is 100. Number of people that participated is 100. Are you getting it? Now, the number of people that either watch TV or radio is 90, which we've already gotten from the previous slide. So substituting the values, people who do not watch either TV news or radio news will just be 100 minus 90, which is what 10. So they are outside the both of them. So you can see it clearly on the Venn diagram. So moving down to question number 4. So we have people who do not watch the both of them. So people who do not watch both of them are simply those ones that we've already gotten before. The one that we've got in the intersection of those that did not watch and the union of those that did not watch. Are you getting it? So that's 90 minus 20, which is what? Which is 70. So it simply means that 7 people do not watch both TV news and listen to radio news. So that's question number 4. Now moving down to question number 5. So the next one we have is people who watch TV news but do not listen to radio. But do not. So it means we have people that watch TV news, which we've already known, but do not. So those that did not watch is the complements of those that watch and did not watch. That is, the complement means the negative. Are you getting it? So that's the intersection of those that watch TV and those that did not watch, and those that watch TV and radio. Are you getting me? So that's 70 minus 20, which is 50. So 50 people watch TV news but do not listen to what? Radio news. So finally, for the last question now. So the last one, people who listen to radio news but do not watch TV news. So just like what we did in the last slide. So we take the 40 from the 20 and our answer is what? Is 20. So that is all for this video. So for everyone that have watched this video from the beginning up to this point and you've not subscribed, please kindly do so. Also, don't just watch but like as well. Like and comment if possible. Thank you.